When was the last time that you flushed out your hot water heater?
Flushing your water heater annually can add years to its life, but if your unit is over 10 years old and you haven't been flushing yearly, keep in mind that doing it now can actually do more harm than good. Before we jump in, don't forget to hit that subscribe button to keep more weekly home maintenance reminders coming your way. First, turn the thermostat on the unit to either the pilot or off setting a few hours before you start. This helps to cool the tank. Throughout the process, remember to never heat an empty tank. Next, locate the valve on top of the tank where the cold water pipe enters. Turn it clockwise to close fully. Open a hot water faucet somewhere in your house, preferably upstairs. This prevents a vacuum and helps the tank drain faster and more completely. Leave it open until the end of the process. Next, locate the drain valve in the bottom of the tank, which looks like an outdoor faucet. Attach a garden hose and run the other end to a location where hot water won't kill whatever is in its path. Be sure to place a bucket underneath initially just in case something leaks.
So I've got a capture bucket here just to see kind of the quality of the water, what's coming out from the hot water heater. You don't have to collect in the bucket. You can just let it go down your driveway. Just understand whatever's coming out will be very hot and it can kill plants in your lawn.
Next, slowly open the drain valve by twisting it counterclockwise with a flathead screwdriver. Let the water drain until the flow slows down, and then turn the cold water supply back on for 15 seconds to help stir up sediment on the bottom of the tank. Repeat this several times until the water is clear. To restore water to your tank, close the drain valve tightly using a flathead screwdriver and remove the hose. Turn the cold water supply back on and keep the hot water faucet open in your home until water flows out steadily. Once you notice no air bubbles in the line, close the faucet and then return your hot water heater control to its original setting. Remember to never heat an empty tank.